Hi friends, I am here back with some more video today, and in this lesson we are learning about Hindi adverbs. Adverbs are very useful in Hindi, and particularly we have an adverb for each and every tenses that we use. So today in this class we are going to talk about adverb that can be used for present habitual tense, and we will also make some sentences using with them. So for example, आज 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 means today. आज means today. So if you say today is Monday, so you'll be saying आज सोमवार है. आज सोमवार है. कल tomorrow. कल tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. कल रविवार है. कल रविवार है. परसों day after tomorrow, and day before yesterday, both is the same in Hindi, parshon, and that determine the verbs that we are using in past tense or future tense. So the day after tomorrow is Friday. परसों शुक्रवार है. परसों शुक्रवार है. The day before yesterday was Saturday. परसों शनिवार था. परसों शनिवार था. आजकल आजकल, nowadays, these days. So how do you say? Nowadays we are in Benares. आजकल हम लोग बनारस में हैं. आजकल हम लोग बनारस में हैं. कभी कभी, sometimes. कभी कभी, sometimes. Sometimes I come here. कभी कभी मैं यहाँ आता हूँ. कभी कभी मैं यहाँ आती हूँ for female. कभी कभी means sometimes. कभी नहीं. कभी नहीं, never. I never eat meat. मैं कभी नहीं मांस खाता हूँ. मैं कभी नहीं मांस खाता हूँ. I never eat meat for masculine. अक्सर, often or often. अक्सर. I often come here in the morning. So मैं अक्सर सुबह में यहाँ आता हूँ. I often come here. मैं अक्सर यहाँ आता हूँ. Always, हमेशा. हमेशा, always. I always drink चाय. मैं हमेशा चाय पीता हूँ. मैं हमेशा चाय पीता हूँ. आम तौर पर, यूजुअली. आम तौर पर. So how do you say? Usually I don't come here on Sunday. Usually I don't come here on Sunday. आम तौर पर मैं रविवार को यहाँ नहीं आता हूँ. आम तौर पर मैं रविवार को यहाँ नहीं आता हूँ. सुबह में, इन द मॉर्निंग. सुबह में, इन द मॉर्निंग. In the morning, I come here. सुबह में मैं यहाँ आता हूँ. सुबह में मैं यहाँ आती हूँ. दोपहर में in the afternoon. In the afternoon, I eat outside. दोपहर में मैं बाहर खाता हूँ. दोपहर में मैं बाहर खाता हूँ. शाम में in the evening. What do you do in the evening? शाम में आप क्या करते हैं? शाम में आप क्या करती हैं? For female. रात में. At the night. I read book in the night. I read book in the night. So, मैं रात में book जिस किताब read पढ़ता हूँ और पढ़ती हूँ. So, मैं रात में किताब पढ़ता हूँ. For masculine. मैं रात में किताब पढ़ती हूँ. That is रात में, in the night. So, every name of days and date, take the postposition ko in Hindi as it is on in English. If you say on 2nd of October, so it would be 2 October ko. On Monday would be Somwar ko. On Tuesday, Mangalwar ko. On Wednesday, Budhwar ko. On Thursday, Guruwar ko. On Friday, Shukrawar ko. On Saturday, Shaniwar ko. And on Sunday, Raviwar ko. So the theme of this class was learning adverb in Hindi and their uses. So you have to practice them and try to make them sentences. I will come with the next video with the more verbs and vocabulary. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe our videos.